What's your favorite non-sexual feeling?
I feel like laughing is like a form of like platonically nutting. Just release of serotonin.
What about sneezing?
Sneezing too.
I think the best sneeze is better than the worst nut, like by far. And it also like, you know when it's coming.
You know when it's coming.
You can't stop it. Like a nut, you could be like.
But you can't psych yourself out of sneezing. Like if you think
You
about it too
can, but
much,
it's also
it,
like
goes...
if you don't, you're like, oh, I just sneezed. If you nut, you're like, well, fuck, I gotta do something now. I gotta clean this up.
So yours is sneezing.
Yeah, do girls nut?
Child of the Lord, not answering.
Depends how good you are.